Hello and assalamualaikum and welcome to the study with ARS. So here's our new topic which is radioactive. So the radioactive was discovered by Becquerel. He was a scientist, and the meaning of radioactive is radio means rays, or you can call it beam, and active means energy. So in combine, these rays are also called energetic rays. Okay, so as these rays are invisible from human eye, so these rays are also called unseen rays. So these rays releases from the nucleus of an atom. So here we got an atom in which having if there is a change in electron, then it will be called chemical change, and the rays which will be releasing that rays will be ordinary rays. And if there is a change in nucleus, so it will be called nuclear reaction, and the rays which will be emitting from nucleus will be called as energetic rays. So here's the types of nucleus. So the number one type is stable nucleus, and the other one is unstable nucleus. So unstable nuclei, nuclei. Okay, so here we got the first type. So in the first type, if there is a nucleus in which it is having number of neutron are equal or a bit higher than a bit higher than proton, then that element that nucleus can be stable. Okay, so the atom which is having the nucleus which is having a bit higher proton than neutron number of neutron, then it will be called as stable nucleus. Okay, so giving you example of sodium. So the mass of sodium is 23 and the number is 11. So if we have to find the means neutrons of sodium, then we have to subtract the mass from number mass from the atomic number. So 23 minus 11 equals to 12. So 12 neutrons are there, and only one neutron is more than this one proton. Okay, so now we are having the other one which is called unstable nucleus. So nucleus having neutron very higher than proton, then that nucleus are called unstable nucleus. So they do a spontaneous reaction. We don't need any input to be there. We cannot means give force. It will be spontaneous. It will, you can say, it will be automatically. And it the example of this one is uranium. And as you guys know that uranium is having a more than mass 90, more than 90 plus it is having atomic number. So here we got an experiment. It was done by two scientists. Name Their name is Perry and Mary. They both were uh, means they both were having a grandmother. Uh, One of them was grandmother. I don't know who was she, and one of them was grandson. So here they done an experiment in this one uh, in this one lead box. So here we are having this radioactive material here inside the lead box. This one is the lead box, PB box, because red is also called PB. So when they done this reaction, then they observed that the rays which were going from this radioactive material, some of them rays were turning towards the negative side, Here we also have electric field, which will be denoting the charges, and here we are having negative charge, here we are having positive charge. When this one rays will was emitting from here, then a ray was bended towards negative side, and a ray was going towards the means it was a neutral, so that's why it goes forward, and it goes on the left side, so this one goes towards the positive side, so it was called as beta rays. And beta rays are also called fast moving of electron called beta rays. And beta and alpha rays both are having mass and charge, but gamma rays are having only energy, only photons. So this was our topic. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now see, let's see you tomorrow.